In this video you will know the reasons why parents should consider enrolling their little ones in a Montessori school. 1. Nurtures curiosity. Montessori schools encourage children to explore and discover concepts at their own pace, fostering a lifelong love for learning. 2. Develops independence. Montessori education empowers children to become self-reliant, confident, and independent thinkers. 3. Personalized learning. Montessori schools cater to individual learning styles, allowing children to learn at their own speed and focus on their interests. 4. Holistic development. Montessori education addresses the cognitive, social, emotional, and physical needs of children, promoting well-rounded growth. 5. Prepares for life. Montessori schools teach practical life skills, problem-solving strategies, and social skills, preparing children for future success. 6. Encourages creativity. Montessori education fosters creativity, innovation, and critical thinking, helping children become adaptable and resilient. 7. Supportive community. Montessori schools create a nurturing environment where children feel supported, encouraged, and valued. 8. Train teachers. Montessori teachers are specially trained to observe and guide children, providing personalized support and mentorship. 9. Child-centered approach. Montessori education prioritizes the child's interests, needs, and developmental pace, ensuring a tailored learning experience. 10. Long-term benefits. Montessori education has been shown to have a lasting impact on children's academic, social, and personal success throughout their lives. By choosing a Montessori school, parents can give their children a strong foundation for a happy, successful, and fulfilling life.